What about our motherboard, our brain? How do we keep our brain healthy?
Yeah, that's a really good question. As we talked about in the activity section, movement basically is the chief protector. But also there's things in nutrients basically, and one of the things we talked about obviously is things we've been talking about all along. Sleep is so critical for brain health. Being able to shrink your brain at night because you're going to deep restorative sleep, getting those street washers out there, bathing your CSF all over, taking the amyloid and the tau products out can help prevent cognitive decline. Obviously, what we eat, eating vibrant vegetables and fruits, colorful fruits that are full of antioxidants and phenolic compounds, all those things are critical. And staying active, being energy consumption gets the brain going, it gets us moving, moves the blood flow through it, and keeps us young. The other thing we can do is make sure we're using those neural pathways. While we're on the GLP-1 drugs, make sure we're changing to healthy pathways. And then other things we can do, like, if you brush your teeth with your right hand, try using your left hand. If you drive home one way, drive home another way. Anytime we can disrupt those patterns that we become so ingrained, we can then build new neural pathways. Sudoku, I'm just kind of running around with things that you can do, crossword puzzles, anything that stimulates the brain to be active and work, it will help keep us healthy and young.